Hey guys, welcome back to your show, Tito Crypto. It's a pleasure to be here with you tonight. And guys, today was an amazing day. It was really crazy fireworks in the stock market. Maybe as you already know, today was the day that Mr. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell spoke to the nation regarding the how the economy was going. All right, how the economy of the country was going, and usually the market tends to listen carefully to what the Fed chairman says in order to make a move, or whether going up or going down. And this morning, before he came to give his speech, right, the economy, the market was really going up. Everybody was expecting something positive, and you could see the market going, blasting away. Especially Bitcoin was going really high from 21,200 and change. It ended up going to 21,700, and I'll show you that in the chart. But I was gonna give you a little perspective of how things went today. Once he came and gave and pronounced what he needed to say, and he used words like use our tools forcefully, guys, forcefully, to attack inflation. I guess that's all or some of what the market needed to hear, and it just made a turn for the worse, and the market just turned around and started going down severely. Okay, so hey, that's how the market goes, right? If we move to the charts now, I can show you exactly what I mean. And basically, if we go to, let me go to the hourly because it looks more impressive for a Fed. Basically, I'll show you how this thing look. So this is the hourly, and before the chairman came to announce the condition of the market, this is the candle that was proceeding, or that was going on before he came and gave his information. So it was here all night going down. Morning comes around 9:30. This went ballistic from 21 and change, 21.1, went all the way up, just kept climbing within the hour, climbing, and then the second hour all the way to 21,800. Once he gave the announcement, or he made the announcement, this thing went all the way down, guys, down, and this is today's action, all the way down, all the way up to here now. So as you can see, it was a bad day for crypto. Not only for crypto, but also for the whole legacy market. If we see Standard & Poor's, S&P 500, it was blood in the street. It was really bad. So it started going up, people cheering, hoping they was gonna break this area here and just keep going up, and it just turned around and started falling down, and we are actually around here. So we're expecting this price to keep going down and probably find support in these areas. Okay, but this is what you need to know. If the legacy market, say S&P 500 or the Dow Jones, goes to these levels, guys, BTC is gonna really bleed out. And what I mean by that, basically we could expect BTC to go, and this is something that I'm really clear on. Okay, we're going to go down to these levels, right? We will go down, and let me show you here, so I can we will revisit these prices. Let me call this out so you can see a little bit better. We will revisit these prices, guys, around here, around 17,000 or below. We might come down here and make what is called a double bottom, basically one touch here and another one down here, and then shoot back up. But eventually, and this is what I believe, right? This is my estimation, and like I usually tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give you advice on how to invest your money. I'm just a guy on YouTube giving you information on how to trade safely, and just take it, take it for what it is. It's only for educational purposes. I'm not here to tell you how or where to invest your money. But having said that, guys, I do believe that we're gonna come back and test these levels here, right? The 17,000, and probably, like I said, make a double bottom, one touch, and come down here sometimes in the coming weeks, and then just chew back up again. Because as you can see on the weekly, the RSI is already way down here. Okay, so there's a good probability that this weekend on Monday we are gonna visit the lows and start probably coming back up. But I do feel, like I said before, that this is only temporarily. I think we're gonna keep going lower. There's a lot of things going on the macro level around the world, and I think we're going to come back to these levels here, right? 13,000, maybe 11,000. This is something that could happen, right? We can come back and touch these levels here for a final capitulation, but it's gonna be swift. I believe we will not have time to sort of plan this thing. It's gonna be really down and dirty. People's gonna just run for the hills and forget about crypto and probably never come back, or come back in a long time. So be ready for that. There's something else I'd like to show you guys that is really interesting, but I will leave that for last. Okay, I will give you my idea on what I think this formation is, and you've seen this formation before, and there was a lot of buzz around the crypto world about this formation, and I think we doing this again. So think about it. If you probably think what it is, you cool after you see the video, and of course you're gonna know at the end of the video. But leave a like and comment if you knew what this formation was, if you had some sort of idea. Well, let's go to the market, right? Let's go back to, I already showed you the legacy markets, right? S&P and Dow Jones, they similar, okay? And they both going down, meaning they go down, BTC and the crypto market goes down as well, okay? And let's see how we are doing. And basically for today, as you saw here, as you see in this chart here, these coins, Bitcoin's going down, Ethereum, I mean the whole crypto market lost all the gains that it was made probably in this move here, in this move from 17 all the way up to 25,000 and change. It probably lost most of the gains there. And if we come down here, oh boy, basically it's going to erase all those gains. Okay, like I said, for today, red, everything went down. What didn't went down basically stay neutral, no gains at all, -6, -7. I mean Shiba, the market was right, guys. It was blood everywhere basically. So, and this most likely will continue to go down over the weekend. All right, legacy markets, S&P and Dow Jones, they don't trail over the weekends, but we might keep bleeding a little bit lower because the market right now is afraid, and we might see lower lows in the coming days. Okay, so again, market is really bleeding. There's blood on the street, red. This is for some people that would like to accumulate, this is a good sign. If you have dry powder, meaning cash on the side, it's a good time to buy. All right, you try to dollar cost average, so buy a little bit. Every time it goes down, you buy some more, and that's another way to sort of get your toes in the market if you like to do that. But now I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin. And why do I say that we're probably gonna go lower? Simple. I think this move, it hasn't finished just yet. And I will show you a picture of a graph, right? And you'll tell me if this doesn't look a little bit like this picture. All right, this one. Actually, this one right here. See this picture? Up, it's like a little crown, and then down. Now we go back to the Bitcoin movement since 2020. Up, crown like, and down. All right. This is called the Wyckoff distribution event. Okay. So once again, look at the move. It doesn't have to be the exact move, but just look at how it goes up. Start like chopping up and down here in this little range, and then down it goes. So up, chop up and down from actually here all the way here. Another up, up and down movement, down completely, another up and down, and a final leg down to complete the formation. Guys, it's my guesstimation that this is another Wyckoff distribution movement, and if it is, some of us will know what to do, or some of us will know where this is going and how this is gonna end, right? Once again, guys, look up here how it shape up, right? Top one, the support line, and then it keeps going down to the phase E, which is the final one. So let's draw this thing here, see how it looks. Well, it's gonna leave that lines there for effect. Okay, so this line here, right? One support, this line here, another support. Look, that support line, right? Kind of pinpoint up and down, and then breaks to the downside. Pinpoint up and down, breaks to the downside, and then we go for a second redistribution here at the bottom. Is this one right here? Then down again. We find a little support here, then we go back for the final blow. See, down, up, and now we're coming back down again. We're still gonna might see, it's not probably still gonna go straight down, right? We might see something like little chopping down here, up, then down again, probably go up and down again. Well, not all the way down there. I don't think it's gonna go so low, but basically around this area here, right? Around this area here, $13, 13,000. Guys, let me know what you think about this. What I just told you, something that probably people haven't noticed yet. They might not believe it's a Wyckoff distribution, but I strongly believe this is what we have on site. Wyckoff distribution, just like we saw here. We're gonna keep exploring this distribution in the coming videos, and I'll show you why I think, like I just show you now. Of course, I want to give you another graphics. Why do I believe we're not done yet? And where we're heading? We're going down around here. This is the place that we're going. And guys, if we're going this way, it's game on, baby. Game on. This is your crypto saying goodbye, and educate yourself and invest safe. Take care.